Utalii College no rĩoĩkaine David Wamatsi nĩ augĩte atĩ thukuru nĩ ũgũtigĩrĩra no hingũra mieke anyiti itemi na makĩria harĩ ta njĩra ĩmwe ya gũtigĩrĩra atĩ nĩ makinyanĩra na mũbango wa thirikari wa gũtigĩrĩra atĩ kothi cio ikĩhĩmbĩrio na njĩra ĩrĩa yagĩrĩire. Arĩtio igongona harĩ kũhumba thũmbĩ makĩria ma arutwo 300 na arĩa marakorirwo makĩrĩkia mathomo mao.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Kenya Utalii College Governing Council. Maybe what I can say in brief that one of our key mandates is training, and in our strategic plan we have 3 pillars, which is training, enterprises and partnerships. And one thing you've heard from this team is that the demands for infrastructure is overwhelming. The applications, be it regular training, be it MDPs like these ones, you find we are always overwhelmed. So as an institution, as the council, we are looking forward to mobilizing resources to ensure that we have adequate capacity in terms of infrastructure and personnel to ensure that we meet the industry demands and requirements. Currently, the government headroom is tight, so the government is not able to fund all the institutions adequately. And one of the key
My name is Tony Muikariri. They refer me as TMM. I'm the chairman of the tourism industry Kenya Utalii College Liaison Committee. It's a committee that links up the Utalii College and the hotel industry. Our mandates are we have over 10 mandates, all geared to both linkages between the industry and the college. For example, from the college, we help in their recruitment, we help in their getting guest speakers. For the students going out for internship, we also get them places for internship. And when they finally finish their courses, we also link them to the industry where they can get jobs. Because as you heard, we had over 700 applicants. We only could manage 318, both because of capacity and other issues. But I'm looking forward to a period when we'll be able to host, like the chair said, within the industry.
Tony Mbehelo, I'm the acting CEO for Kenya Utalii College, and we are honored today to be graduating about 318 managers who've undertaken programs at Kenya Utalii College in areas that are emerging in the tourism industry. As an institution, we receive a lot of inquiries from all managers and staff within the hospitality and tourism industry.
Arutwo igĩrĩ kũrĩa sekta-inĩ ya ũrĩmi kuma